guys, my name is Tina Trosclair. We are stationed here at Living Word Church. We're so extremely grateful for all the help that has come to us through Frankie, through the Gator Park, through friends of friends of friends. And I'm going to tell you, our community is absolutely devastated. Our state is devastated. And Ida just really took a licking on us, but we are resilient, we are Cajuns, and we are strong. So our greatest needs, honestly, is food. So if you maybe have the resources to send food to us, I would love to be able to give every family bread and jelly and peanut butter so that they can feed their own families. Anything that you can help us with, we will take it. You have a cooking crew, contact us. Frankie has our contacts. Our hearts are full of gratitude, but there is, the black looming cloud of this is a marathon and not a sprint. We're in this for a long time. So if it's in your heart to help us, please reach out, and show compassion. We've done the same. So a little bit about our story. After Hurricane Katrina, we started a disaster relief program, an outreach program for disasters, and we have worked for 16 years. Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, just trying to make a difference after a disaster. So we know how to give. This is our first time to ever be a recipient. It is extremely humbling, and we are very, very appreciative. Thank you all so much for anything that you could do. Please offer us a lot of prayers. We need it all. Thanks, guys.